Hi, everyone. Today we are going to continue talking about life cycles. So, yesterday we were introduced to life cycles and the life cycle of a bean. All right, and so today we're going to read about 4 different types of animals and insects. All right. Let's read about the butterfly life cycle. Other organisms have life cycles too, but animal life cycles can be very different from the life cycle of a bean plant. Some animals are born alive and some animals hatch from eggs. They all grow up to be adults. The adults mate and produce offspring. The life cycle of the monarch butterfly starts with an egg. A tiny larva called a caterpillar hatches out of the egg. The caterpillar eats and grows. When it is about as big as your finger, the caterpillar changes into a pupa inside a chrysalis. In a couple of weeks, the adult butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis and flies away. After mating, the female lays eggs, completing the life cycle. Let's watch this video. All right, let's read about a ladybug's life cycle. Ladybugs, like monarch butterflies, are insects. Ladybugs and butterflies have similar stages in their life. This life cycle is similar to a number of other kinds of insects. The ladybug life cycle starts when the adult ladybug mates. Let me start that paragraph over. The ladybug life cycle starts when adult ladybugs mate and the female lays eggs. When an egg hatches, a larva comes out. The black larva is the offspring, but it doesn't look like its parents. The larva eats and grows for 3 or 4 weeks before it pupates. Inside the pupa, the larva is changing. When the pupa opens, an adult ladybug comes out. Adult ladybugs are red with black spots. Now, the ladybug offspring looks just like its parents. After mating, the female will lay eggs. All right, let's read about the trout life cycle. Trout lay eggs in streams. After 3 to 4 weeks, the eggs hatch and babies swim out. The babies stay attached to their yolks. The yolks are used as food for another 2 to 3 weeks. Now they are young fish called fry. But they don't look like their parents yet. For the next year, they grow up little by little. In 2 years, they are adults. They look just like their parents. They mate and lay eggs in the stream. Can you describe the trout lifestyle? Let's go ahead and watch this video. All right, and finally, frog life cycle. Frogs lay eggs in water too. When an egg hatches, so here are the eggs, a tadpole swims out. It looks more like a fish with a big head than a frog. A tadpole doesn't look like its parents. The tadpole eats and grows. In a few weeks, the tadpole starts to change. Its long, flat tail gets shorter and its legs start to grow. In a few more weeks, the tadpole has grown into a frog. Now it looks like its parents. Let's watch this video. All right. Make sure you log into Canvas because you have 2 questions to answer today on Canvas. So make sure you go do that.